Everybody, what is up and welcome back to another vlog. Guys, today I'm going to be starting a daily vlog type of series because today I am starting my summer vacation at Mammoth Lake / Yosemite National Park in California. Now, right now we're at Owens Lake, which is a part of Mammoth Lake. So let me just show you the lake really quick. I'll get you guys a better view in a little bit. So yeah.
If there could be snapping turtles here, I just saw a harvester ant, velvet ant, and I saw some snapping turtles.
So yeah. So guys, this is like Owen Lake, and around there is Convict Lake. So Mammoth Lake is just a bunch of lakes put together, and this is one of them. What?
The water is clean. Well, the snapping turtle then was Cyril Jackson.
Okay.
1,000 snapping
So
turtles.
like on this rock.
I bet you there's like 1,000 snapping turtles.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna try and touch the water really quick. I'm gonna try to touch this water.
Whoa!
Is it really cold?
Yes!
Can I touch? Oh yeah, that is pretty cold. Whoa. Alright, that's pretty interesting. I would like to swim in this water, but I'm not really sure if it's that clean. We're right now in Convict Lake, guys. Parkour Master Unleashed. Alright guys, so we just got done with a family hike. My brother right there is trying to follow me. And now guys, we're going to get going to some place called the Movie Museum. You might be wondering, what do you mean? It's basically like a museum of like ancient movie artifacts. Not ancient, but like 1960s, 90s, 70s movies artifacts, and it's gonna be kind of cool. We're going to that now. So we're going to our car. Let's go to the car's this way. I'm sorry guys. Let's go to the movie museum. Alright guys, so right now we're at this like movie museum, where it's like a museum of movies. And there's something really cool I wanted to show you guys really quick, okay? Guys, so this is like a camera that they used in the old movies, and I just want you guys to imagine me carrying around this camera for my YouTube channel. That would be like so weird and uncalled for, but like these are just some pretty cool cameras from the old times when they used to have these types of cameras for movies. Boy.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Just Tony for Fox in 1922, and shortly after, the same studio's rising star, Buck Jones. They were soon followed by Universal Pictures cowboy favorites Hoot Gibson, Ken Maynard, Fred Gilman, Fred Humes, and then Jack Hoxsey, who worked here more than any other silent movie cowboy, shooting more than a dozen films in the area during the 20s. The maze of roads winding through the...
Alright guys, so we just got done watching a documentary in this place. We're going out. I don't know what we're gonna do next. Alright guys, so now we're gonna slowly go over to our house. Right now we're at the Mammoth Lakes Welcome Center. Basically for like tourists.
We're gonna go
Let me,
to
like,
a,
show
we're
you
gonna
guys
go
it. So you guys can see these are the welcome centers.
Guys, I saw a bullet ant, harvester ant, velvet ant, ground squirrel, and a roadrunner.
Okay.
Oh, there's an ant right here, guys.
So these are the animals that might be here. It includes bears, red-tailed hawks,
Guys, there's a harvester ant right there.
coyotes. All these animals are
I
pretty
saw a harvester ant in
They're
there.
called the local guys, quote-unquote locals.
Going in a welcome center.
The Mammoth Lakes Welcome Center.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome to Welcome Center.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Black bear poop. Look at this animal. Look at
Bobcats.
Oh, look at the snake.
What? Snake.
Yes, this is a snake.
What if this is a real bear? I don't think so.
So it's his eye. Oh, yeah, his eye is definitely fake. Whoa, look at this carboy.
It's obsidian. Dude, don't touch. Don't
Oh,
touch.
that's obsidian?
See, look, it's obsidian.
Oh, I have an obsidian in my house.
Free maps for
Okay guys, so we just came back from the visitor center place and now we're at our house. This is a rented Airbnb home. And I'm gonna give you guys a little house tour. Alright guys, so the house isn't that big. So the entry is right here. That's how you enter. Place where you put your shoes and stuff. Close that. There's one couch here that turns into a bed, and then there's another bed. Okay, I don't even know what's happening, guys. There's another bed over here, and then this is like the living room kind of, and then we got this place right here.
It has Netflix.
Netgear Wi-Fi. We also have some type of television,
Netflix.
and the TV also has Netflix. As you guys can see really easily. Just able to access Netflix. So yeah. Okay. This is like the dining table kind of place. And then we have the kitchen over here. There's just a closet here. And this closet is for this master bedroom. And then we also got a pretty good bathroom.
Yeah. I just woke up.
We also got a pretty good balcony. So yeah guys, this is basically the house I'm going to be staying in for a couple days at this Mammoth Lakes and Yosemite visit.
Yeah. We forgot to show you one thing. Balcony. The balcony.
There, are you happy? Are you happy?
The balcony goes
Oh my.
to the other
And this is how the
balcony
bed extends, by the way, guys.
The
The
balcony-
couch I was showing you extends to
The
be
balcony goes to the
pretty
other
big
balcony.
bed.
To other balcony.
So this is basically the house I'm going to be staying in while I'm
There's
at
Monopoly here.
Mammoth Lake and Yosemite Park vacation. So I
Guys,
hope you guys
parkour
enjoyed
up
this. I hope you guys enjoyed this house. 3 different lakes, and we're also gonna see a waterfall, which I'm pretty excited about. It's probably gonna be one of the highlights of my day.
Rock in the world, 87 million years.
And right now we are going to go over to the other lakes and the waterfall. In about 2 hours, we'll be back into our house. Hi guys, so right now this is Lake Mary. It's a pretty big lake, and then over on this other side of the road is a waterfall.
There's a fish right there.
Ooh, yeah, I see it.
You guys
See that? Yeah.
Okay.
But besides that, there's a water slide going down, and we're going to go to the very top of the water slide,
Yeah,
and I'll show you guys there. Guys, we came. We're at basically a waterfall. We're at the waterfall I was talking about, guys. By the way, guys, this is 8,900 feet high. I'll show you a sign later. Are you stupid? Boy.
Guys, oh my God, it's so cool.
This is very nice, interesting place. Let's go get some different
Would you
angles.
swim there if you could?
Probably not, but let's go get some different angles. That's the bottom of the waterfall. This is called Twin Lakes right there, because there's basically 2 lakes. It's very interesting. The waterfall basically goes down that way. You guys saw that I showed a pretty cool waterfall right there. If we can get a better view, you guys will see it in the next clip. I'm gonna go down this way so we could show you guys a better view of the thing. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're going down.
We're going down.
Don't record it for 2.
We're going down, guys. It's kind of like a little bumpy road. It's not that bad. Crouch down, please.
It's really hikey.
Alright,
Guys, could you leave it in the
so
comments
we've made
below?
it.
Habib,
What?
could you leave it in the comments below if bamboo is poisonous? Really painted?
Ya sol taraf mı daha acaba?
Yeah, that's interesting for you. So we just found this natural trail. And one second, guys. I'm just gonna get a bad view really fast.
Dikkatli gelin hadi. Hadi onu cebine koyuyorum.
Alright.
Guys, we brought
Alright. We are down. I'm waiting for you, bro. Come on. I believe in you. Let's go down here. Oof. I like these natural hikes, these natural parkour moments. Come on. I like this stuff, man. Like in the forest, me and my brother be balling. We be making parkour videos, man. And there we go. This was the better view of the waterfall I was talking about. Look at this.
Guys, zoom!
Look at that.
Let's see what we can get.
This is the best view of the waterfall we could get. This is a very good waterfall view. I really have to stop. Don't do that. You almost slipped me. Shut your bubblegum dum dum. Anyway, this is very cool, guys. But you know what? I want to go back up. Okay guys, so we're back home, and I just wanted to say that I hope you guys enjoyed this Mammoth Lake vlog. Make sure you guys watch tomorrow's vlog too, because I'm going to be daily vlogging on this vacation. But anyways, me and my brother just wanted to say bye, and make sure you watch.
I got my medicine.
Make sure you watch tomorrow's vlog as well, guys. Besides that, bye-bye.